What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Cole's Outdoors. Today's video, we're going down to our local park, as you've seen in our last video, and we're going to go try to do the same thing and catch some chubs and maybe some trout, because bass fishing is pretty hard right now. So stick around and see if we catch anything. Thanks, guys. Ooh, this is a better one too.
Oh.
This is good.
It's good.
Come here, baby. Yeah. Let's go down here for you. Whoa, wait. That's not a bad one. There we go. Another rock bass.
That's another good one, Brett. No!
Dude, I got water.
I got wind. Oh my God.
Welcome back, everyone. Thank you for watching this video. It was a pretty good one today, kind of slow, but you kind of got to expect that because it's winter here. But thank you for watching this video. Thank you for sticking around with my channel. Love all y'all. If you haven't liked this video yet, go ahead and like it and subscribe to my channel for some more awesome content. Thank you, guys. Peace.